this could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
This is why you need these 5 genius electronic life hacks. Today we're diving into 5 electronic life hacks that will level up your tech game. Hack 1. Got a tangled mess of cables? Use bread clips to label each one. No more guessing which cord is which. Hack 2. Is your Wi-Fi signal weak? An old router can double as a Wi-Fi extender. Just give it a new purpose and boost your signal. Hack 3. Lost your remote again? Attach a small Velcro strip to its back and stick it to your coffee table or TV stand. Problem solved. Hack 4. Want a DIY phone stand? Grab an old cassette tape case, open it, and voila! Instant phone holder for your desk. Hack 5. Need better sound from your laptop or phone? Place it in a ceramic bowl to amplify the audio. Easy peasy. Give these hacks a try and watch your tech life get a whole lot smoother. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cool tips. Catch you in the next one.